Yes. All of you just take out your books. Now we will start the next chapter, that is chapter number 12, mensuration. Chapter 12, that is mensuration. Today we're gonna start this chapter. Okay. Everyone just take out your books. See, yes, students, in the first assignment, see, we will discuss first of all the first assignment, that is 12.1. Okay. Students, in this, what we're gonna discuss first of all, we're gonna discuss the perimeter. Yes. What is perimeter? Can anyone of you tell me?
X,
What is
sir.
perimeter?
Anshul.
Sir, the sum of
Yes.
all the
Sir,
sides
sum
is
of all
known as
sides.
perimeter.
Yes. Perimeter is sum of the boundaries. I can say this. Sum of all the sides, you can say. Sum of all the sides. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir. Yes, sir.
Students, if I take a rectangle, if I take a rectangle like this, okay, and I take the length as L, okay, and breadth as B, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be, see, this
sir,
is
two
L,
Sir, 2L plus 2B. 2L
yes, 2L plus 2B.
plus 2B.
See, all of you know this formula, all of you know this formula, but
Yes,
let's just
sir.
discuss how we get this formula, okay. See, this is L, so this will be L also, because
Yes, sir.
the length of the sides of the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be B now. So perimeter is sum of the boundaries. So L plus B plus L plus B. This will be the perimeter. So now L plus L 2L, B plus B will be 2B. So 2 will be common and you will get L plus B. So this is our formula for our perimeter of rectangle.
Rectangle.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, in the same way, students, you can find out the perimeter of any of the figure. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us discuss the first question, first part. The first question, first part is the sides of the rectangles are, see, the sides are length is 250 millimeter. Okay. Breadth is 1.5 meter. We have to find out the perimeter. Yes, students. We have to find out the perimeter. But students, we know that for doing this, the length and breadth should be should have same units. Yes, millimeter and this is meter. How students?
Yes,
How can
sir.
we convert meter into millimeter? How can we convert meter into millimeter?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to convert in centimeter because they have asked the perimeter in centimeter.
Okay. The answer is in centimeter. So we will convert both of them in centimeter now. Okay. Okay. So how can we convert length in? See, this is millimeter. How can we convert millimeter into centimeter? Yes. Anyone of you can tell me? See, you know this method.
5,000.
You know this method or not? This is
Yes,
for,
sir. Sir, multiply by 1,000. Sir.
see, this is for meter and this is for millimeter. This is centimeter. Okay. So now to convert millimeter into centimeter, I have to divide it by 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So divide this by 10. If I just divide this by 10, so it will be 250 by 10. So it will be 25 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now see, to convert the meter
Sir, we have
into
to write it in
centimeter,
a notebook.
yes, see, just do it in your rough notebook right now, and then later on just write it in fair notebook.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is in meters, so multiply this by 100. So 1.5 multiply by 100. So this will be, see, 1.5 can be written as like this. I can write 1.5 like this. into 100. 0 can be cancelled out by 0, so it will be 150 centimeter now. Okay. Now, students, what we have to do? We have to
Yes.
find out the perimeter. So perimeter will be how much? Perimeter will be 2 bracket L plus B. So it will be 2 bracket length. Length is how much? 25. Breadth is 150. Everyone just mute your mic.
150.
Everyone just mute your mic. So this will be 175. Now if I just multiply them, what will be the answer? 350 centimeter. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, the remaining students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Everyone just write it down. Everyone just write it down, students. Just do it fast, students.
You send video.
See, the live class is being recorded. Okay. So I will share this recording with you in the next after this class. Okay. I will share this recording in the WhatsApp group. Is this clear? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, okay. Yes, everyone have completed this question.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just do it fast, students. Just do it fast. Okay, now see, students, the next, just if you haven't completed, just take screenshot. If you haven't completed till now, just take screenshot, students. Okay, otherwise just complete this question from the recording that I will send. Okay. Okay. Now let's just move forward to the second part of this. See, question 1 second part. What is given, students? The side of the square is 12 centimeter. See, there is a square whose side is 12 centimeter. What I have to do, I have to find out the perimeter. Yes, perimeter will be how much? Yes, what is the formula of perimeter of square?
4 multiply by
4 multiply
4
by 5.
multiply by side. So perimeter will be 4. Side is 12. So 12 fours are 48. So 48 centimeter is my required answer. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just see the third part, students. In the third part, a square field is 22 meter long. There is a square field like this. It is 22 meter long. 22 meter long. How much wire is required for fencing? See, can anyone of you tell me what's the fencing? Yes. What is fencing, students?
Sir, a type of wire.
Yes,
Sir,
yeah,
can you
yes,
repeat?
Chinmay. Yes,
Sir, can you
Chinmay.
repeat?
It is a type
What?
of wire.
Okay, so just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Yes, just 1 minute, everyone. See what I have to repeat. Yes, Section, who is asking this? Section, you are
Sir,
asking.
Anshul.
Yes, Anshul.
Sir, I was.
Sir, can you please repeat the sentence?
See, you don't have the book with you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, I am having.
So just see first question, third part.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Section, what you were asking?
Sir, I was actually raising my hand for that fencing question.
Okay, Section. Yes, tell me what's the fencing?
Okay, sir.
So fencing is a type of a thing made from wood or some like steel or iron to protect the boundaries of a place or area.
Okay. Okay. So yes, Chinmay. Can you just
Everyone can
tell
tell.
this in yes, yes, Chinmay. Yes. You can.
Yes. The fencing is a type of wire that is used to protect houses and buildings.
Yes. Okay. See, students, if we just discuss this in a very simpler way, it is a type of wire. It is the wire that we put in on the boundaries. It is the
With these
wire that we
points.
put on the boundary in order to protect the area. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So students, what is asked? How much wire? How much wire means that means I have to complete this complete boundary. Complete boundary means perimeter. Okay. So length of wire I can say it
Sir,
will
we
be how
will.
much? We will just
Sir,
take the perimeter of this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We will just take the perimeter. So perimeter is 4 into side.
yes, sir.
So 4 into 22. It will be how much?
88.
88 meter. So 88 meter is my required answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
students. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just see question number second, student. Now just see question number second, students. Find the perimeter of each of the following. I have to find the perimeter of each of the following. See, first is a triangle PQR. There is a triangle named as PQR. Okay, where PQ is 8.5. PQ is 8.5 centimeter. QR is 6.2 centimeter. And this PR is 4.9 centimeter. I have to find out the perimeter. Yes, students, perimeter will be what? The sum of the boundaries. Yes, students.
8.5
Yes, sir.
So perimeter
plus
will be PQ plus QR plus PR. I can say this.
yes,
So this
sir.
will be 8.5 plus 4.9 plus 6.2. So if I just add them, how much it will be, students?
6.2 plus
6,
4.9.
1, yes. 19.
Sir,
19.6.
19.6.
It will be 19.6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the
Yes,
answer is
sir.
19.6
Yes, sir.
meter. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone just do it fast. Okay. Now, students, in the next three parts, see, we have to just find out the perimeter in all the three parts of this is second question. Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, sir. We can do by
Okay.
ourselves.
Yes, we can do.
Okay. So just do the remaining part of the question number second by
Sir,
yourself.
please
Okay.
do the third part only.
Yes. Which part?
The third part of this question.
Okay. Just see the third part. What is given? A rectangular park. See, a rectangle is given. Okay. Whose length is this length is how much? 46 is to 1 by 2 meter. And the breadth is 23 is to 1 by 2. 23 is to 1 by 2. Okay, both are in meter. I have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter
Sir,
is
which
how much?
chapter is going on?
Yes, who is this?
Sir, Samarth.
We are discussing 12.1 assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, the length is how much? 46 is to 1 by 2. First of all, what we have to do, we have to convert this into the rational number. This is in mixed fraction. I have to convert it into rational number. How can we convert this? Yes, anyone?
Suppose 46 multiplied by 2 plus 1.
Yes. Multiply this 46 by 2. How much it will be? 92.
Yes, sir.
92 plus 1
Yes, sir.
is equals to 93
Sir,
by 2.
93 upon 2.
And if I just convert this, it will be 46 plus 1, so it will be 47 by 2 meter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
answer
sir.
will be how much? 2 length. Length is 93 by 2 plus 47 by 2. So this will be this 2 as it is. Now if I just take the LCM, LCM is 2. So just add the number. So it will be how much? Yes, 150. Sorry, this will be 140. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if I just cancel them out, the answer will be 140 meter. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The remaining
Yes,
students?
sir.
Okay, the remaining students, is this
Clear.
clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So just
sir.
take a screenshot of this, students. Just take a screenshot of this. Now we will discuss the next
Yes,
question.
sir.
Just take a screenshot of this, students. Okay. Now let us discuss, students, question number 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay. Just try to do question number 3rd by yourself again. Okay. Or I will discuss some.
Sir.
I will discuss one or two part of question number 3rd. But first I will discuss
No,
question
sir,
number
it's clear.
6. See, okay. But let us just first discuss 4th, 5th, 6th question. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
first of okay. Okay, everyone. Now just take out the question number 4th now. Okay. See, students, question number 4th. The perimeter of the triangle ABC is 50. See? There is a triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. It is 50 centimeter. It is given to us. If the sides AB, BC, AC are respectively, okay, AB is given to us. AB is 15 centimeter. BC is how much? 10 centimeter. AC is x plus 4. I have to find out the x. You have to find out the value of x. Yes, students, can we find out the perimeter by ourselves? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And how can we find out the perimeter?
By
It will
adding them.
it will be the sum of the boundaries. So it will be 15 plus 10 plus x plus 4. So this will be equals to 50 centimeter. So if I just add them, how much it will be? 29 plus x. It will be equals to 50, and the value of x is 59. 50. Sorry. See, this 20. This 20 is in 29 is in addition. When it goes here, it will be in subtraction. So this will be this. If I just subtract them, it will be how much? 21? Yes or no? So 21 centimeter is my required answer. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, yes, Chinmay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chinmay.
Previous question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. So 1 by 2, it is written the length is 46, 1 by 2. So can we
Okay.
write 1 by 2 as 0.5?
Yes, repeat it again.
Or can we write 46, 1 by 2 as 46.5?
Yes, yes, yes. You can write it like that also. Okay, Chinmay. Okay. Now let us discuss the next question. That is question number 5, students. See question number 5. The breadth of the rectangular park is 48. Okay. See, a rectangular park is given to us. The breadth is 48 meter. The breadth is 48 meter. If 3 kilometer and 72 meter wire is required for the fencing. Okay. See, we had the fencing is given to us like this. The wire that is on the boundary, it is given to us. Okay. And the length of the complete fencing is length of fencing, or we can say the wire, it is 3 kilometer and 72 meter. Or students, can I say that this is the perimeter? Or students,
sir.
can I say that this is perimeter?
Yes, sir.
Because fencing
Sir,
is always
first
done on
we
the
have to
perimeter.
convert the
Yes,
meter.
sir.
Yes. I have to find out the length of the park. Sorry. Yes, see, this is breadth, students. Okay. This we don't know, students. Let it be L meter. Okay. We don't know this. Let it be L. This 48 is breadth. And this is in meter. Okay. What we have to do, we have to find out the length. So first of all, what we will do, students, we will convert this perimeter into meter. Yes, 3 kilometer means how much meter, students? How can we convert one
So
1 kilometer?
3,000 kilometer.
Yes, 1 kilometer is
3,000
equal to
meter.
1000 meter. 1 kilometer is same as 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer means 3000 meter
3,000 meter.
and
3000
72 meter also. It will be
3072 meter.
3072 meter. So the perimeter is 3072. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the length. See, the perimeter formula is 2 bracket L plus B. We know this formula. Perimeter is, just put the value now. Just put the value. It is 3072. This 2 as it is. Length we don't know. Breadth is 48. Okay. Now everyone just see, this 2 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be in division. So therefore, I can write it like this: 3072 divided by 2 is equals to length plus breadth. Length plus is 48. Yes or no? Yes, students. Can I write it like this? Now, if we just cancel them
Yes, sir.
out, 2 ones are 2. Yes. 1, 5, 3, 6. I can write it like this. This 48 is in addition. When it goes here, it will be in subtraction. So length will be how much? 1536 minus 48. Yes, students. If we just subtract it, what we will get? Yes. Anyone? Here I will get 8. Yes. What will be the answer, students? If we just subtract them out. Yes, students. What will be the answer if we just subtract them?
Sir, 1488.
1000. Yes.
488.
488. Is
Yes,
it
48.
correct? Is it correct, students?
1488.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
the remaining students.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 1488 is my required answer. That is the required length. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, the remaining students.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now everyone just write it down. Okay, now we will discuss the next question. That is question number 6. Everyone just write it down. Now we will discuss the next question. That is question number 6. Everyone just do it fast, students. Okay. See, if anyone of you haven't completed this, just take screenshot. Okay. If anyone of you haven't completed this, just take a screenshot. Okay. Just take a screenshot, students, because now we will discuss the next question. That is question number 6. Just take a screenshot, everyone. Okay. Just take a screenshot, everyone. Okay. Now see the next question. That is question number 6. See what is given in question number 6, students. The perimeter of the square is double that of rectangle. Perimeter. See what is given. I'm just writing it. Just mute your mic, everyone. Everyone, just mute your mics. See, question number 6. The perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is double perimeter of rectangle. It is given to us. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to take a square and a perimeter. Sorry, a square and a rectangle. See, this square I am taking, and this is the rectangle that I am taking. Okay. So perimeter of square. See, for this, see, this side I am taking. Okay. This is the side of the square. And Vipanshu. Okay. Now see, students, what is given. If you just move forward, if the perimeter of the square is 120 meter, perimeter of the square, see, this is 120 meter, it is given to us. So this will be twice perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Now students, and the length and the breadth of the rectangle are in the ratio. Okay. Now see, students, for rectangle, length ratio breadth is how much? 3:2. Now see, students, these are in the ratio. Now to convert the ratio into the particular number, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by some number, some variable, or some constant. If we just multiply it, so let us assume x with a variable. So the length will be 3x and breadth will be 2x now. So length is 3x, breadth is 2x now. Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Till this condition, is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
question?
Okay. Now find out the length, find the breadth of the rectangle. See, this 120 as it is, this 2 as it is. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is how much? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So see, this will be 120 as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. Length plus breadth. See, 4 is in multiplication. 4 is in multiplication. When it goes there, it will be in division. So 120 divided by 4 is equals to length plus breadth. So 4 3s are 12 and 0. So 30 is equals to length plus breadth. Length is 3x. Breadth is 2x. So this will be 30 is equals to 5x. Now if I just cancel them out, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 is 30. So the value of x is 6. Value of x is 6 now. Okay. So if I just put this here, because what I have to do, I have to find out the breadth. So breadth is 2x. So 2 into 6, that is 12. So 12 meter is my required answer. Is this clear to everyone?
So, excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.